Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of happiness. So today I'll be telling you about the quote which is as follows. Finish each day and be done with it. I repeat the quote once again. Finish each day and be done with it. So my dear friends, every individual person is important on this planet Earth. We all come from different backgrounds, have different culture, have different cuisine, have different languages, but on this platform, we all are one. Together we stand and are very strongly bonded to each other. Each day brings for us new opportunities to accomplish. We have different goals to achieve each and every day. Not every day is going to turn out the way we want it to. All routines and to-do lists are aspirational. You go diving for pearls, but sometimes you end up with calms. The important thing is to make it to the end of the day, no matter what. No matter how bad it gets, see it through to the end so you can get to tomorrow. Each and every day is different in its own way. It may be good and bad, tough and easy, up and down. It's absolutely normal. Life is meant to be that way. The whole trouble begins when you accept one and reject the other. Can it always be day or night, right or wrong, win or lose? Can you imagine how miserable life can be for someone who wants only the heads and it is not willing to accept the tails? How about accepting both victory and defeat with equal grace? And only when you do that, life begins to happen. Keep thinking, working, and exploring ways by which you can find that infinite human energy. Do something so that each human being on this planet grows up to realize his own inner potential. Dream your best. Think your best, work your best, and make happen your best. And that's the only thing needed to cause miracles in your life. Nothing less than your best will work, because the greatest enemy of the best is good. So work each and every day for your goals to be accomplished, which you have decided for yourself. Enjoy your work and follow your passion, and it will definitely create miracles in your life. And one day you will become successful in your life, and which will create wonders in your life. And you will become the most happiest and satisfied person on this planet Earth. When you are happy, all the people present around you will also become happy, which will ultimately lead to world unity, world peace, and there is development of humanity, and there will be happiness all around and in everyone's lives. Thank you.